a center for global sustainability education and research through community-developed environmental initiatives and ecological stewardship. Mitakuye Oyasin in Sioux Lakota, meaning we are all related. At the Dr. Kiran C. Patel Center for Global Solutions at the University of South Florida in Tampa, graduate students work on the Rosebud Continuum Eco-Science Center as part of their graduate studies. The students use the book Drawdown, the most comprehensive plan ever proposed to reverse global warming, edited by Paul Hawken. That is our primary text. One of our projects is to model the Rosebud Continuum Sustainability Education and Eco-Science Center in virtual reality using 3D tools like Unity and Blender. Blender is not only useful for making video editing, but also for making mesh models like you'd see in a computer game to do world-building simulations. In this way, we can blend computer simulations with real-world activities and train people in the virtual world for things that they can then learn to do in the real world.